Welcome back to the Explainer. Okay, today we have a breaking update in the AI productivity space that is literally going to completely transform your daily workflow. I'm going to show you exactly how a platform you might actually already be using, Google NotebookLM, has evolved so incredibly fast that most people are barely scratching the surface of what it can really do. We've got 10 hidden hacks to cover today, and I promise you by the end of this Explainer, you are never going to look at AI research the same way again. Let's get into it.
But hold on, stop right there for a second. What if your current AI workflow is actually making you less productive? Think about it. Here is a 10-second reality check for you. If your entire process right now is just uploading a PDF, asking the AI for a quick summary, and then closing the tab, you are doing it the old, completely inefficient way. You're leaving massive amounts of time and brilliant insights just sitting on the table. The platform has evolved, and today we're upgrading your skills from casual user to absolute power user.
Okay, let's dive into this with Section 1, the hidden AI crisis.
So here's the core problem. When you upload dozens of messy files, we're talking PDFs, random meeting notes, scattered web pages, super long reports, the AI just gets incredibly overwhelmed. It's like juggling way too many balls at once, right? It tries to hold all those distinct, disorganized threads in its memory, but it inevitably drops the ball, gets totally confused, and starts hallucinating facts out of thin air. So we need a completely new approach to organizing our data before we even ask it a single question. We've got to move from that old chaotic way to the new way, which is consolidating everything into one clean truth. And that brings us perfectly to hack number 1, building a supersource. A supersource is basically a comprehensive master briefing document. Look, power users know that you don't just ask questions to a massive pile of messy documents. Instead, you upload all those raw files into your notebook and you give it one specific command. Create a comprehensive master briefing document. Organize every theme, insight, and data point systematically. Once NotebookLM generates that beautiful, perfectly organized briefing, you just save it as a completely new note. You've essentially just compressed an entire messy library into a single, hallucination-free AI brain. Your answers from that point on are going to be faster, vastly more accurate, and completely free of confusion. Which leads us directly to our next hack. Now, most people use AI just to pat themselves on the back, to confirm what they already think they know, right? They just blindly accept the very first summary it spits out. But smart users, they force the AI to really challenge their assumptions. They actively use it to highlight hidden biases and expose weak arguments. So if you're doing serious research, or making high-stakes business decisions, or doing competitive analysis, you absolutely cannot afford to live in an echo chamber. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how you force that challenge. You upload a bunch of reports or articles about the exact same topic, and you deploy this exact prompt. Compare all uploaded sources and list every disagreement, contradiction, or data mismatch. Boom! In a matter of seconds, NotebookLM instantly cross-references the whole shebang and lists out all the conflicting claims. You uncover hidden biases and weak arguments in minutes. It is an absolute game-changer for verifying news or tearing apart a competitor's claims. All right, shifting gears, Section 2, automating your deep research. We have all been there. You waste hours upon hours manually hunting for PDFs, clicking through endless Google search results, downloading individual articles. It's tedious, it's exhausting, and frankly, it's just a terrible use of your valuable time. But NotebookLM has introduced a solution that completely eliminates this bottleneck. It's called the Deep Research feature, and it shifts you away from that manual hunting, moving you to automatically building a curated research library. Hundreds. That is the scale of what this feature actually does. When you click Add Sources, select Web, and then choose Deep Research, you just briefly describe your project. The AI then spends a few minutes scanning literally hundreds of websites on your behalf. It automatically gathers the best information out there and builds your sources right in front of your eyes. It takes hours of tedious manual searching and turns it into just a few simple clicks. Honestly, I think this is probably one of the most underrated features in the entire Google AI ecosystem right now. Now, this next hack is where that ecosystem really flexes its muscles. A lot of people don't realize that NotebookLM and Google Gemini actually integrate seamlessly now. So instead of analyzing just one isolated notebook, you can combine them. Imagine this. One notebook contains all your marketing research, and another holds your company's financial data. By connecting them with Gemini, you can extract highly advanced, merged strategic recommendations. It acts exactly like giving an AI access to multiple expert departments at your company simultaneously just to generate high-level executive strategies. Pretty wild, right? Let's move to and see how this builds. Because to beat overwhelming walls of text,
We can use visual mind maps. When you're dealing with massive research projects, reading endless blocks of text is just brutal on the eyes and the brain. We just aren't built to process huge data dumps efficiently. But by selecting all your sources and opening up the Studio panel, you can generate a mind map. NotebookLM instantly creates a visual knowledge network, highlighting major themes, the relationships between them, emerging trends, and data clusters. Your brain processes these visual structures instantly, which literally cuts through the overwhelm in seconds.
Moving right along. Section 3, Directing AI Content Creation.
Okay, you've probably heard of NotebookLM's audio overview by now. You know, the feature that turns your dry documents into a super realistic AI conversation. It's incredible. But the hidden hack here is that you shouldn't just settle for a standard generic AI output. The real magic happens when you realize you can actually control the hosts. Before you hit generate, you click customize. You can instruct one host to be highly skeptical and constantly challenge the other host, or you could tell them to explain the whole topic like a fun, fast-paced TikTok video. You aren't just generating content anymore. You are literally sitting in the director's chair, feeding them customized personality instructions to perfectly match your specific brand's tone.
And hey, if you are a creator, you know the absolute highest stakes involve figuring out what to actually make content about. Guessing what your audience wants is a fast track to 0 views. But, and here's the trick, if you use NotebookLM's deep research and then simply ask it, what questions are people asking online about this topic that remain unanswered, you strike absolute gold. The AI instantly identifies content gaps hiding right inside your research. So those unanswered questions, they become your next viral YouTube video, your next high-converting blog post, or your next newsletter. It's literally an automatic SEO goldmine. Now, here is a professional trick that businesses, agencies, consultants, and educators are going to absolutely love. If you need to create a presentation, whatever you do, don't start from scratch. Just upload your absolute best existing PowerPoint deck into NotebookLM. Then, tell the AI to generate a new presentation on your new topic using that uploaded deck strictly as a style template. The AI actually learns your formatting, your visual structure, and your specific style preferences. Visual consistency across all your corporate or educational materials suddenly becomes, well, completely effortless.
Let's get into Section 4, Hacking Human Memory. Top performers, they don't just use AI to summarize their notes, they actually use it to build science-based study plans. You simply tell NotebookLM, hey, I have an exam or a major presentation coming up on this specific date. Create a study plan using the spacing effect and the forgetting curve. The AI will then literally map out a strategic schedule for you, like reviewing on day 1, day 3, day 7, and day 14. This specific timing is scientifically designed to refresh the information in your mind right before your brain's natural forgetting curve kicks in. It totally automates the process of moving information from short-term right into your long-term memory.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that this next hack might actually be the most practical trick of all of them. After you read some incredibly dense, dry report, you use this exact prompt. Write a note addressed to me in 6 months. Remind me what this material's about, why it matters, and the most important thing I should remember. This forces the AI to violently cut through all the corporate jargon, the fluff, all the unnecessary details. It leaves you with just the one core, impactful insight that actually matters. Trust me, when you review that note 6 months later, you are going to thank yourself. Finally, Section 5, the Power User Playbook. So the crucial point is that these 3 specific advanced prompts completely transform the platform from a simple little note-taking app into a true knowledge operating system. First up, the premortem. You ask the AI to act like a ruthless, highly skeptical investor to find hidden weaknesses in your project before it actually fails. Second, the executive synthesizer. You command it to instantly extract only the hard decisions, the deadlines, and the metrics from massive piles of documents. And third, the Feynman builder. You have it explain a highly complex topic as if you were 10 years old. Then you scale it up to a college student level, and finally, generate a quiz to test your actual understanding of it. Look, the evolution of these AI tools is happening at absolute breakneck speed right now. And mastering these advanced workflows, it gives you a massive, unfair advantage in your field. So I've got to ask, which NotebookLM hack surprised you the most, and exactly how are you going to use it to transform your work today? I really want you to drop your answers down in the comments right now. Let's get a good discussion going on the best use cases. And hey, if you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our future explainers, where we're going to continue to bring you the cutting edge of productivity breakthroughs. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I will see you in the next one.